Hello and welcome to an overview of the Smarter Workspace. At Smarter, we offer a data-driven talent management solution. Today, we will walk you through how to map competencies to a position. Let's get started. First, you will need to create a position. Log into your admin account and you will be directed to the Workspace interface. Go to the Competencies section and click on Position. You will see some positions most companies would typically have. Let's create a new one for your company. Click on Create on the top right of the screen. You can either choose a default position in the system or create through your own information. Input information such as which department that position belongs to in categories, name of that position, and the responsibilities that position entails. Furthermore, add the team members and competencies associated with this position by choosing the team. Members will automatically show up after you choose the team. Once finished, simply click Publish Position and your information is saved in Position. That's it for this product update video. If you find this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.